Welcome to Speak American English with Lyman Holton. We're going to go through this conversation 3 times. First, I'll read everything out loud in short pieces. When you see the text has been highlighted in yellow, repeat it out loud. Secondly, we start having our conversation. You read everything out loud for Kelly, and I read everything for Lyman. Third and final, we have the same conversation, but we switch sides. You'll still be Kelly. Kelly and Lyman are going through a practice job interview. Kelly is the interviewer and Lyman is the interviewee. Good morning, Lyman. Thank you for coming in today. I'm Kelly, and I'll be conducting this interview. How are you? Good morning, Kelly. I'm doing well, thank you. I'm excited to be here. Great. Let's start by discussing your background. I see you haven't had much experience in AI. Can you tell me a bit about your work history? Of course, my background mainly consists of customer service roles. And some retail experience. I haven't worked specifically in AI. I'm wondering how that would make you a fit in AI with our company. Well, I've always been fascinated by technology and its potential. I'm a fast learner and eager to delve into the world of artificial intelligence. That's interesting. Yes, a willingness to learn is valuable. Can you highlight? Any skills or experiences that you believe might be relevant here. Sure, in my previous roles, I've developed strong communication skills and the ability to adapt to new situations quickly. I can explain concepts to customers. And how do you think that would be of value to us? We are in a highly technical industry. I can explain things in a simple and understandable way, which might be useful. In conveying technical information to non-technical people. Those communication skills are crucial in many positions within our company. Given your interest in technology, what do you find most intriguing within AI? Well, I'm particularly interested in how AI can be applied to improve user experiences. I believe AI can make all technology more accessible and easier to use. That's a great perspective. At our company, we do focus on user-centric AI applications. How do you see yourself contributing to a team within our startup? I'm eager to learn and contribute wherever I'm needed. I'm adaptable and willing. To take on various tasks. I'm open to starting in an entry-level position. I appreciate your enthusiasm and willingness to learn from the ground up. We do have entry-level positions that could benefit from someone with your attitude. That's what I'm striving for, the opportunity to prove myself and excel. We'll provide training and guidance on the technical aspects. Your ability to relate to customers and your eagerness to contribute are definitely valuable. Thank you, Kelly. I'm genuinely excited about this opportunity to become a part of the company and contribute to its growth. It was a pleasure speaking with you. We'll be in touch soon regarding the next steps. Thank you for your time today. And thank you again. I'm really looking forward to getting started. Secondly, we start having our conversation. You read everything out loud for Kelly, and I read everything for Lyman.
Kelly and Lyman are going through a practice job interview. Kelly is the interviewer and Lyman is the interviewee.
Good morning, Kelly. I'm doing well, thank you. I'm excited to be here. Of course, my background mainly consists of customer service roles and some retail experience. I haven't worked specifically in AI. Well, I've always been fascinated by technology and its potential. I'm a fast learner and eager to delve into the world of artificial intelligence. Sure. In my previous roles, I've developed strong communication skills and the ability to adapt to new situations quickly. I can explain concepts to customers. I can explain things in a simple and understandable way, which might be useful in conveying technical information to non-technical people. Well, I'm particularly interested in how AI can be applied to improve user experiences. I believe AI can make all technology more accessible and easier to use. I'm eager to learn and contribute wherever I'm needed. I'm adaptable and willing to take on various tasks. I'm open to starting in an entry-level position. That's what I'm striving for, the opportunity to prove myself and excel. Thank you, Kelly. I'm genuinely excited about this opportunity to become a part of the company and contribute to its growth. And thank you again. I'm really looking forward to getting started. Third and final, we have the same conversation, but we switch sides. You'll still be Kelly.
Lyman and Kelly are going through a practice job interview. Lyman is the interviewer, and Kelly is the interviewee.
Good morning, Kelly. Thank you for coming in today. I'm Lyman, and I'll be conducting this interview. How are you? Great. Let's start by discussing your background. I see you haven't had much experience in AI. Can you tell me a bit about your work history? I'm wondering how that would make you a fit in AI with our company. That's interesting. Yes, a willingness to learn is valuable. Can you highlight any skills or experiences that you believe might be relevant here? And how do you think that would be of value to us? We are in a highly technical industry. Those communication skills are crucial in many positions within our company. Given your interest in technology, what do you find most intriguing within AI? That's a great perspective. At our company, we do focus on user-centric AI applications. How do you see yourself contributing to a team within our startup? I appreciate your enthusiasm and willingness to learn from the ground up. We do have entry-level positions that could benefit from someone with your attitude. We'll provide training and guidance on the technical aspects. Your ability to relate to customers and your eagerness to contribute are definitely valuable. It was a pleasure speaking with you. We'll be in touch soon regarding the next steps. Thank you for your time today.